Wait, everyone! Someone dropped a wallet.
Maybe the owner is still close.
Let's check before moving it. Excuse me. Did anyone lose a wallet? That's strange. How can we find the owner?
This photo must be very important. We should never keep it.
Of course not. Let's return everything.
Maybe the owner visited the bakery today. Great clue. Let's start there. We found this wallet, Grandpa Joe, and we think we should try to return it.
Money is valuable, but honesty is priceless. Follow every clue carefully.
The purchase was only 30 minutes ago. Then we're still on the right trail. Good morning. Did anyone report losing a wallet today?
No one asked about a wallet. But I remember a man buying bread for a little girl. I think that's the same family. They walked toward the lake after leaving here.
We're getting closer.
I don't see them.
Good afternoon, Mr. Wilson.
Have you seen this family?
I think I saw them earlier near Town Square. The little girl was holding a red balloon.
We're not giving up. Even if it takes all day, we'll find the owner.
We're doing the right thing.
What if someone pretends the wallet is theirs just because of the money?
Wait! That's my wallet!
No! It's mine!
They can't both be the owner. Please, that's my wallet. I lost it this morning. No, it's mine. I dropped it while walking through the park.
We're happy to return it, but we need to know who the real owner is.
Can you tell us what color the wallet is?
It's dark brown, brown leather. That doesn't help.
That doesn't help. How much money is inside?
About $100. Maybe $90.
There is something very special inside. Can either of you describe it?
My business cards. A grocery list.
I'm sorry, but we can't give the wallet to either of you yet. We'll ask the police to help us. I hope we find the real owner soon.
Thank you for bringing it here instead of guessing.
You've done exactly the right thing. You've done exactly the right thing.
You've done exactly the right thing. Sometimes this can be more important than the money.
This mystery is harder than I expected.
But we're getting closer.
Mike, look at this.
Maplewood Family Day was held at Town Hall last year.
They might have event records. Let's check there.
Thank you. Thank you for being honest now.
I knew you would choose honesty over convenience.
I think we're closer than ever. Mike, I think I found the little girl from the photograph. Look! The little girl in this photo is the same one from the wallet.
I think we're finally on the right path.
Excuse me. We're trying to return a lost wallet. Could you help us identify this family?
The father's name is Daniel Brooks.
I'm sorry. The address we have is no longer current. The family moved several months ago.
Oh no, another dead end.
We've come this far. There has to be another clue. Wait, there's something else. The receipt is from Maplewood Toy Shop. At the bottom is a handwritten note, reserved for Emily. Emily must be the little girl. Good afternoon. We're looking for a family who reserved a toy for Emily.
Yes, Daniel Brooks reserved a music box for his daughter. They never picked it up because they suddenly moved. I remember Daniel said he was working at the old railway museum.
Thank you so much.
It feels like a treasure hunt.
Except the treasure belongs to someone else.
We're looking for Daniel Brooks.
We were told he used to work here.
Daniel worked here until last month.
He now works at Maplewood Community Center.
We're getting closer every hour. We've protected it all day. Let's keep it safe. Mike! Mina! She looks just like Emily. Mom? That's Daddy's wallet. Mom, that's Daddy's wallet. I'm sure it is.
We're happy to help, but we need to make sure it belongs to your family.
Daniel is finishing work inside. He'll be here in just a minute.
Is that my wallet?
Before I return it, could you please tell me something that's inside?
Inside, there's a small photo of my wife and my daughter. That's the most important thing in the wallet.
Can you describe the picture?
My daughter Emily is wearing a yellow dress, and she's sitting on my shoulders. My wife is standing beside us. We took that picture during Maplewood Family Day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's still here.
This was the last picture we took before my father became very sick. He was the one standing behind the camera.
Thank you for bringing Daddy's picture home.
It belongs with your family.
I'd really like to give you a reward. Thank you, but helping you is already enough for us.
Doing the right thing feels better than earning money.
Money can be earned again. Trust is much harder to earn. I've been looking for you, young detectives. The mayor would like to meet all of you tomorrow at Town Hall.
Really? All of us?
I'll never forget your honesty. One day, I'll help someone else the way you helped my family.
That would make us very happy. We spent all day searching.
And every step was worth it.
Wait, is that for us?
Wow! I didn't know so many people would come!
This is a special day for everyone.
Today, we are celebrating 5 young people who reminded our town that honesty still matters.
And now, without further ado, please welcome Mike to the stage.
You've got this, Mike.
They never thought about keeping the money. They only thought about finding the owner.
When I realized my wallet was gone, I worried about one thing. I wasn't thinking about the money. I only hoped this picture was safe. It holds one of the happiest memories of my family.
Thank you for bringing my family's memories back home.
We're very happy we could help.
Honesty isn't something we choose only when life is easy. It is something we choose every single day.
You've earned the respect of our whole town.
I've always believed these children would grow into wonderful people.
I found one wallet. I found one wallet. Now I have to find my certificate.
From today forward, Maplewood will celebrate Honesty Day every year so that kindness and integrity are never forgotten.
We didn't do anything special. We simply treated someone else's belongings the way we would want our own belongings to be treated.
We want you to remember this day forever.
This started with one wallet on a walking path.
We never found treasure today. I think we did. We found trust.
Every good choice becomes part of your story.
Money can be lost and earned again, but honesty stays with you forever. When we choose integrity, even when nobody is watching,